Now, you know me, I am by no means a professional welder. However, whenever there's something I need to weld, I'm gonna have to do it. The garage then becomes the shop. Push the car outside, and then we'll weld pretty much right here. Always keep in mind safety first. Make sure you have your gloves as well as your eye protection, and make sure nothing's flammable close by, all right? Just in case you don't want to catch the sparks or anything like that. So, main job I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to move my garage door opener over. Anyway, let me get to welding. Just got a couple things I need to do. I'm using 6013s on this one here. I'm gonna run it at about 45 amps. I want to put a bracket across here so that I can center the catch, you know, that leads to the garage. Always been on the side part here. And so when the door comes down, it doesn't come down even. So what I'm going to do is center it so that when it closes, it'll come down evenly. So I'll take it off that. But what I'm going to do is create a bracket for here. I'm going to take this piece of metal here, measure it out about 25 inches, 25 and a half inches here. I'm going to cut it. Okay, so it's all done now. It was pretty much a simple job. The garage door opener was off to the side. It was off to the side over on that block there. The system was running off of this one line. The problem I was having, since the arm was on one side, when the door was closed, it wouldn't close evenly at the bottom. Sometimes there would be a small gap over there, but now that I have it centered, it flushes straight across. All right, so that's it for that simple project. That was a quick garage fix, and just in case if you want to do something like that, there you have it. Okay, it's ReekG. Until next time, you take care of yourself. Peace.